Once upon a time in the quaint village of Eldergrove, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her boundless curiosity and vivid imagination. She spent her days exploring the woods, creating fantastical tales of hidden realms and magical creatures. One misty morning, while wandering deeper into the forest than ever before, Lily stumbled upon an ancient, moss-covered door embedded in a hillside. Intrigued, she pushed it open and found herself in a breathtaking underground garden, illuminated by a soft, golden light. In the center of the garden stood a magnificent tree with silver leaves that tinkled like chimes in the breeze. As she approached the tree, she noticed a small, shimmering figure sitting on one of its branches. It was a fairy, no taller than her hand, with wings that sparkled in the light. "Welcome, Lily," the fairy said with a gentle smile. "I am Serafina, guardian of this secret garden. Few have ever found this place, and those who do are destined for a special purpose." Lily's eyes widened in awe as Serafina continued, "This garden thrives on the dreams and hopes of those who believe in magic. It needs someone with a pure heart and vivid imagination to protect and nurture it." Without hesitation, Lily agreed to become the garden's guardian. Serafina gifted her a delicate pendant shaped like a leaf, which glowed warmly against her chest. "This will guide you back here whenever you need," the fairy explained. From that day forward, Lily balanced her life between the ordinary world and her secret garden. She tended to the magical plants, learned the language of the fairies, and protected the garden from those who sought to harm it. Years passed, and Lily grew into a wise and compassionate young woman. The villagers of Eldergrove often wondered about the source of her unending joy and serenity, but only she and the fairies knew the truth. Lily's legacy lived on, not just in the garden but in the hearts of those who heard her enchanting stories. She proved that with a bit of curiosity and a lot of imagination, even the most ordinary life can hold extraordinary magic.